Everyone, we have a solid slab door here, and we have the kata door handle template and jig that we're going to be using. And it also comes with the actual drill heads and attachments that you're going to need as well, both sides for the actual doorknob and for the side here of the door. So let's go ahead and drill this out. Let's see how well it works. I personally never done this before, but we're going to see how well it works. I think it's going to work really well with this template.
All right, so just center that template and screw it in into the two screw holes that you see, and then attach the largest drill head because we're going to drill the doorknob first. So the goal is to try and drill through most of the way from one direction and then come back the other direction to finish it off. And then you're going to end up having a nice solid plug like this that you can pull out, and you should have your hole. Now you can use some sandpaper and go through and kind of soften it up a little bit. But overall, that's really all that we need for the doorknob. If it's your first time installing new doors, I highly recommend this template. It helped myself get it done correctly the first time. I'll show you what the actual doorknob looks like once it's installed. And it really just saved me a lot of time and headache because I was able to just use this template instead. So I would highly recommend grabbing it on Amazon for yourself, your business, or your loved ones. Hope you have an amazing day.